Welcome to Research Sharing by Rashid. In this video, I'm going to talk about some common research terms which I think you should know. Alright, empirical articles, empirical research. These are reports of the results of qualitative, quantitative, mixed method analysis conducted by the authors. So, if you have a paper and that paper is based on the data that you collected from your field work, that you collected from the questionnaire, interviews, observations, and then you write a paper based on the data collected from your field work, it is considered as empirical article. Second, grey literature. Grey literature is the research and information released by non-commercial publishers such as government agencies, policy organizations, and think tanks. So if you come across something like Malaysian Education Blueprint published by Ministry of Education, that one is grey literature. Practical articles describe how things are done in practice. So if you come across an article, for example, which describes how problem-based learning should be carried out in the classroom, so that one is practical article. And then we have primary source. Primary source is the published results of original research studies, and original research studies is empirical research studies. So basically, this is similar to empirical research. And then we have secondary source, which interprets, discusses, and summarizes original sources. So if you have a review paper, then it is a secondary source, which means that you don't go collecting data by interviewing, observing, distributing questionnaire. No, you didn't do that. But you write a paper based on what other people have written based on the data that they collected from their fieldwork, right? And then we have tertiary source. Tertiary source synthesizes or distills primary and secondary sources such as Wikipedia. And Wikipedia is not an authoritative source, so you should not cite Wikipedia in your thesis, in your research paper. And then we have seminal articles. Seminal articles are the classic works which are more than 5 years old, and they are well noted for their contribution to the field, and they have high citation count. So if you talk about Wenger Community of Practice, he wrote an article in 2008 which is highly cited and has a great contribution to the field. So that one is an example of his seminal articles. Then we have theoretical articles, which discuss a theory, conceptual model, or framework for understanding a problem. For example, I have a paper which I wrote about theoretical perspective of second language learning. So that one is a theoretical paper. Alright, all the explanations that I shared with you in this video are taken from the Carlo M. 2018 Scientific Inquiry in Social Work, published by Open Social Work Education. I download this book for free online, and I recommend you to do so because this book is very, very useful. It is written in a very simple way to facilitate your understanding. So find it online and give it a read through. Alright, and this is the last one. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Alright, thank you.